It's relaxed. I'm a little, this isn't good because I'm taller than her, so there's a, but you're going to have your eyes closed anyway, right? So, there you go. Okay, I want to say that Margaret's relaxed. Now, one of the mistakes, and so I say we have to come in close, is if I start pulling Margaret here, look what happens to her shoulder. Okay, so I want to move in really close, so I can move in either my knees are open or knee between knee, or as I said before, I can come all the way in on the side. Okay, I as a person who's giving, I also don't want to hurt my shoulder by coming in forward, so I want to be a place that I'm relaxed. The pillow's here. I want to see your hand is relaxed. Okay? Okay, so now, the lotion, I put a little bit in my hand, pea shape, not more than that, because if I have too much, it gets too, I can always add more. I put the lotion on my hand, not on Margaret's hand. I put on my hand, I take her hand, she turned it over for me. Which is a really good sign to know that Margaret's not relaxed. There are a lot of times you can tell. All right, so what I'm going to do first is we're going to do the points that we learned today. Okay, I'm always holding on. What's really important is to have a backing. Okay, I use one hand to do it, and the other hand, you see, is back here. So I'm doing here. If I do it like this, there's no backing. Okay, I need the contra. Called counter pressure. Try to translate from another language. Okay, so here I'm doing while holding it. I have the hand that I'm using is back here, and I have the other hand. I'm using this hand now to open it. She's relaxed nicely, so her hand's gripping it. And I do the diaphragm line like this that we learned. And then I do the circling. 1, 2. You see over there? You can get up. 4, and then in between. And then I put here. Okay, and now if I want to go to the other hand, I'm still holding on here. I take this hand, turn it over. Are you drawing on your hand? Okay, so now I'm already connected on this hand, so I can slowly let go of this one. And I continue now on this hand again. I'm using these fingers to open it up a little bit. And then 1. You can work both thumbs. It's good to work with your left hand too, because a lot of times the mistakes we make, if I was doing here, I might get into a weird situation. So I just switch hands. Sometimes it's a lot easier. Here we do the diaphragm line. Each of the joints, circling. And in between, 1, 2, 3. I finish solar plexus, and I can add the second solar plexus. Just hold. As much time I have more time. I see she's relaxed. I can do some more. And when I finish, it's very, 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 very slow. What was that? Okay.
Yeah.